The Russian Foreign Ministry said in a statement on Monday that Russia has declared 8 Greek diplomats personae non gratae, ordering them to leave the country within 8 days. The statement said that Greek ambassador to Russia, Ekaterini Nassika, was summoned to the foreign ministry in protest over the expulsion of Russian diplomats in Greece and Greece's supply of weapons and military equipment to Ukraine. It added that the measures were taken as a direct response to the hostile actions of the Greek authorities, and Moscow will reserve the right to respond if Athens continues to take such an anti-Russian course. Also on Monday, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky met with visiting Moldovan President Maya to discuss bilateral cooperation and the two countries' prospects for joining the European Union. According to Zelensky's press service, the parties also discussed the partnership in the transport sector, as well as strengthening energy cooperation. For her part, Sandhu said that obtaining the status of candidates for EU membership is a historic event for Ukraine and Moldova. The Moldovan president added that her country is ready to assist Ukraine in the post-conflict reconstruction and in transiting goods. Ukraine applied for EU membership shortly after the conflict began and was granted, along with Moldova, the status of candidate for EU membership last week.